మీ అమ్మా నాన్న ఇక్కడే ఉన్నారు, ఇల్లు ఇక్కడే ఉంది, కుటుంబం ఇక్కడే ఉంది, అన్ని ఇక్కడే ఉన్నాయి.
కానీ ప్రాణం అక్కడే ఉంది.
Dear students, very good morning. Welcome to Web Technologies class. In this session, we will see the first topic in JavaScript Unit 2. It is about objects and primitive operations and expressions. Okay, this is the syllabus of the Unit 2. This is the syllabus of Unit 2. Okay, we will go through the details of the syllabus just once. The basic JavaScript, this is the first topic. Okay, it includes the basic JavaScript, includes all these one. Objects, primitive operations, primitives. Objects is the first topic. Primitive operations. We will see different types of expressions. In this session, we will see those topics. Objects, primitives and operation. Next session, we will see screen output and input one class. Control statements is the another class. Okay, first we will see these. These are the topics. Object creation and modification, arrays, functions, constructions, pattern matching using regular expressions. This is the syllabus. In this session, we will see the first topic, objects. Objects, primitive operations and expressions. Okay. What is object? Definition of the object. Okay, a variable and object. Objects is nothing but a collection of name value pairs. Okay, just a variable means variable a equal to 10 means a is a variable which holds the value 10. Okay, a is the name of the variable, the value it contains is 10. Okay, object means not a single value, multiple values are present. Object means an object have multiple values are present, a collection of name value pairs. In JavaScript, the objects can be called as a collection of name value pairs. The collection of name value pairs is called objects. We will see in detail about objects in this session, and we will write some programs using these one. JavaScript is designed on a simple object-based paradigm. Okay, JavaScript is a just this is the point about objects. We have to write notes like this. JavaScript is designed on a object-based paradigm. Everywhere we will see the objects in JavaScript. In number of places we will observe objects. An object is a collection of properties. Okay, this is the golden word. An object is collection of properties, and a property is an association between name and a value. Okay, remember this. This is the golden word of the JavaScript. An object is a collection of properties, and a property is an association between a name and a value. Okay, a property value can be a function, in which case the property is known as a method. Just we are saying that here an object is a collection of properties. Okay, a property is an associated between name and value pairs. Later we will see later part of this one. Okay, object name. Suppose student is the object. Object name is student. Okay, some property student has student name stu dot name. Suppose the object is like this. We will see one example. Here the object I am created the object student student student. Okay, what are the properties of the student? Roll number, name, age, like that properties are there. In order to call roll number, in order to print the roll number of a student or assign the value to the roll number, suppose I am created a student object. Okay, I want to assign value. I am created student object. Okay, I want to assign a value to the student object. Okay, the value to the student object can be assigned using what is the logic? student student dot rno equal to 501. A student dot name equal to some name. In double quotes we will write some name. Student dot name equal to student dot age equal to, like that we can call the properties of a student object. Okay, here on the screen we will see here this one variable. Just I am highlighting this one, go through this one. Observe the highlighted text here. Here then where my car new object. New objects can be created using this statement. Variable, one of the statement, different another method is also there for creating objects. Okay, one way to create object is variable var my car new object. My car is a object of the type object. Okay, my car has these properties: make, model, year. Suppose I want to create student object. Okay, how to create student object? var in JavaScript. This is the syntax for creating student object. stu. Okay, this is the name of the object. New object. O capital letter object. In this fashion, we can create the student object. Okay, I want to give some properties to student object. stu dot name. What name we will give? Sita. Okay, stu dot age. What is the age of Sita? 24. Okay, stu dot college. What is the name of the college? Equal to MVR. Like that, I will create the objects. Object and the values. Okay. Here I am created the student object. I am assigned that object to three values. Like that in JavaScript, like that we will create the objects. Okay, once again, we have to write something about objects. Okay, if initially write notes on objects in JavaScript means we have to mention these points. We are observing this is all about objects. Okay, in JavaScript is almost everything is an object. Booleans can be object, numbers can be object, strings can be object, dates are always object, maths are object. We will use mathematical expressions, those are objects. Regular expressions are always object. Next topics we will see in this JavaScript. Arrays are always objects. Functions also are always object. Objects are always objects. In JavaScript, values except primitives. In JavaScript, all values except primitives, all of them are objects. Okay. Once again, I am saying JavaScript object. Most of them are the JavaScript are objects only. Everywhere it is objects. Okay, first one Boolean values are object. Next one numbers can be object. Strings can be object. Dates can be object. Max can are always object. Regular expressions are always object. Arrays are always object. Functions are always objects. Objects are always objects. Objects are is also nothing but an object. Okay, how to create a variable in JavaScript? Variable contains what is only this difference. Just understand variable and object. Variable contains single value, single name value, whereas object contains multiple name values. Okay, variable contains single name value. Object contains multiple a group of a collection of name value pairs. Suppose variable var person equal to Sritan Sai. Okay, person is the name of the variable. It contains the value Sritan Sai. Okay, now here we will observe JavaScript variables contains a single value. Variable contains single value. Objects is also variable, but object contains many values. Okay, this is the one of the main point. You have to suppose in interview room what is the object means. Objects are the variables, but object contains many values. Okay, I am increasing the size of this font also, making the fold. Okay, objects are the variables too, but object contains many values. The values are written as name value pairs. This is important. The objects are written as name value pairs. Name and value are separated by a semicolon. Okay, in the name value pairs. Objects are nothing. Object contains all the properties like how they will contain name value pairs. Suppose color is red. Color colon red. Okay, name equal to Mohan. Name colon Mohan. These are separated with which symbol? Semicolon symbol. Name value pairs. Each name and value is separated with semicolon symbol. Now we will see one object. How to create this object. Now here see the this line. First line variable person. Okay, person is a object. Okay, another way of creating object. Okay, previously we have seen variable person new object. Okay, person dot first name equal to Sritan, person dot last name equal to Sai, person dot age equal to 10, person dot eye color equal to block. This is the one way of creation. Okay, another way of creation of the object in JavaScript is variable person. In curly braces I will specify. Each of them I will separate it with comma. First name Sritan, last name Sai, age 10, eye color black. Okay, at the time we will execute this program and see how the output will come. We will see at the time of programming. Okay, this is about objects in JavaScript. Okay, we will see the programs on the objects. Okay, this matter we have to write in exams about objects. Okay, after completion of this class I will share this unit 2 one objects one. This file I will share. This file is available in department shared folder. Go through this folder. In this folder this word file is there. Okay, once again I am repeating about the objects. JavaScript is first point is JavaScript is loosely typed language. JavaScript is loosely typed language. This is the one of the golden word. Okay. While I am delivering lectures, I will say some golden statements. Okay. This you will never forget those statements in a exam point of view or in not only for exams, not only for this subject. It is valid everywhere. Okay, in interview room suppose they are asked about JavaScript, says what you know about JavaScript means you have to say these golden words. Keep separate notes for these web technologies. In the last 3 pages is exclusively for writing golden statements. Okay, one golden statement is from unit 2. JavaScript is a loosely typed programming language. JavaScript is loosely typed programming. What is loosely typed? Loose means bag loose? No. Okay. What is a loosely typed programming language? What is the another type of the language? Strongly typed programming language. Okay. Strongly typed and loosely typed programming language. Okay. C and Java are strongly typed programming languages. JavaScript is a loosely typed programming language. In C language, before use of any variable, you must declare type of the variable. Okay, in JavaScript that rule is not required. Okay, there is no rule before use of the variable, that variable must be declared. Not that rule is not allowed here. So JavaScript is a loosely typed language. Here we are not giving importance to the types. Okay, whereas in C language, if you want to use integer variable means int a. If you want to string means char name of 30. Name is a variable which holds a group of characters. Like that. If you want to float floating point variable means we have to declare the variable like that. This is a float. Float so and so like that. C is a strongly typed language. Java is a strongly typed language. C++ is a strongly typed language. JavaScript is loosely typed language. Suppose variable a equal to 5. Variable a equal to 5. What is the type of a? Using type of operator, we can print the type of the variable. Type of a. What is the type of a? Type of a is int. Because a equal to 5 means automatically it will dynamically type. Automatically it will take the type of a is 5. In next line, I will write a equal to Srinivas within the inverted commas. Before line, type of a is int. After this line, a equal to Srinivas, the type of a is string. Next line, I will write a equal to 3.14. Now the type of a is float. Okay, same way this concept is not allowed in C++, Java. Here it can automatically changes, dynamically changes basing on the situation from one type to another type. In first statement, a equal to 5, type of a is 5. Next line it is allowed. A equal to Srinivas, type of a is string. Okay, a equal to some 23.45. Now the type of a is float. Next, a equal to true. Now the type of a is boolean type variable. This dynamic type is allowed in JavaScript. Okay, now we will see some programs on objects in JavaScript. How to create
And
this
now we
object
will
and
see
how to
some
print these
programs
values.
on
This is the
objects.
very
How to
important
create
concept.
object,
Okay,
how
we
to
will see some
access the
programs on
values
the
of the
object. After
variables,
that, we
how
will
to
go for
change the
printers.
values of those objects. Okay, object can be created. Two methods, new object or just using curly braces. Okay, both methods we will see in this system. Okay, this is first time I am doing these programs on this object. We will see how to do it. After completion of this one, I will this class I will upload all this one to the our department shared folder lab. In department shared folder, my web technologies folder, one lab folder is there. On that lab folder, unit 2 one folder is there. On that one, these files are available to you. If you want a reference, you may use. Okay, now I am moving to the my folder. Okay, where we are doing all these programs. In all this semester we are doing in this folder. Okay, unit 2 JavaScript. Okay, these are the previous programs. Okay, now I am opening this one, edit with notepad plus plus. I will do new program, file save as my JS object. Okay, any name, no problem, hypertext markup language file. Okay, my JavaScript object.html. Okay, I will change the heading to JavaScript objects. Okay, we will remove this one. We know that script JavaScript lies between script and slash script tag. script language equal to JavaScript. This is optional. I want to write a language equal to JavaScript means you may write, no problem. The default script is JavaScript only. So in this one, I will write here language equal to JavaScript here. Language equal to which language we are writing? JavaScript. Java. This is optional. By default, script is JavaScript only. Okay. I will delete all the lines here. Okay, just nothing is there. JavaScript objects in the script, nothing I have written anything. Just we will write script here. Okay. Just I am running whether it is the file is created or not in this folder. We will see. Okay, my JS object. Okay, JavaScript objects. Okay, it is very easy. Don't feel difficult. If I am doing one program means yourself without seeing notes, yourself do some programs in this one. Okay, next session, not next session. We will see later after completion of the second unit. I will give some importance of certification courses. Okay, this is the basics, very basics. Everywhere we will use these JavaScript and HTML. Okay, if you learn any advanced technology, these are the basic concepts. Okay, whenever this program I have completed, you will do yourself these programs without seeing this one. Okay, till now I have not written any script code, just I am written script and slash script. Okay, what is the location of the script in HTML file? The location is within the body between script and slash script. I will write this scripting, all the scripting statements. Okay, next one, language equal to writing JavaScript is optional. What are the other scripting languages available? Plenty of scripting languages are available. Among all those scripting languages, JavaScript and VB scripts are very popular one. Okay, among now we are seeing our syllabus only have JavaScript only. If you are moving towards .NET means it is easy to learn VB script also. Okay, VB script is not part of our syllabus. We are studying JavaScript. Okay, if I want to implement VB script means it is must language equal to we have to specify VB script. Okay, language equal to JavaScript. Nothing, no scripting statements are written. Now in this one, just I am creating variable. How to create the variable? Variable s1 equal to, I will write the name of the s1 here, some value. No, what we will write? I will write our college name, MBR College, MBR College of Engineering and Technology. MBR College of Engineering and Technology. Okay. Next, I am printing this value. How to print this value? Document dot write. Document dot write S1. Control S. Just I am opening this file, whether observing whether it is coming or not. Okay, this is the file I have written. Okay, script variable S1 equal to MBR College of Engineering and Technology. Document dot write S1. Just I am opening this one. Just in the browser, go to the browser, press the F5 button, refresh button. Okay, MBR College of Engineering and Technology. Okay, this is here in JavaScript writing semicolons are optional. Okay, semicolon. Okay, one of the point is in golden statements write down in the last. Okay, till now what we have written, JavaScript is a loosely typed language. Second point is Second point is JavaScript is a object based paradigm. Okay, everywhere it is objects only. Number of places. Okay, date is a object, math is a object. Okay, object is a object, strings are object. Always, most of the time in JavaScript we are working with objects. Okay, writing semicolons in JavaScript, writing semicolons are optional. Okay, if you want, keep no problem. Otherwise, leave means also no problem. Okay, if multiple lines are there means we must place at the end of the line semicolon. Okay, MBR College of Engineering and Technology, write S1. Okay, next one I will create another variable S2, STU. I will create variable STU equal to suppose 89. I will change later. Just I will print the value of STU. How do you print the value of STU? Here concatenation, string concatenation operator is plus. In Python, if it is Python means you have to write comma. Here in JavaScript it is STU value is, we will check whether it will work or not. 89, I have kept the value 89. Just open the file, open the browser, my JS object.html. Okay, value STU value is MBR College of Engineering and Technology. Is it correct or not? STU value is MBR College of Engineering and Technology. Okay, I will write pre also here. It pre means it will come next line break BR tag. Okay, pre not required. Break means next line it will come. Control S. Okay. Value of str control S is saved. Just open this file in browser. Okay, press F5 button. You will get this value. MBR College of Engineering STU value is MBR College of Engineering and Technology. What is the wrong in this file? I want 89. Here S1 must be changed to STU. Okay. Now save this file. We will see whether it will get or not. Open the browser. Okay, press the F5, refresh the page. Press F5 button. STU value is 89. Okay, up to this. Okay. Now here those are called variables. Now I want to create object. Okay, VAR. I am creating object. What name we will give? What college? College. Which object we will create? Okay, which object? CSC. Okay, our department or branch name. CSC is a object. I am creating object new. How to create the object? Object object. I am created the object CSC. Okay, CSC dot for that object. Okay, understand this one. CSC dot for this object I am creating NOS, number of students. Okay, CSC dot NOS. How many number of students in your class? Okay, 25. CSC writing semicolons are optional. NOS. Okay, one property is there for that object. The object has properties. For that CSC object has one property. That the name of the property is NOS. The name of the property is NOS. Okay, just 1 second. Okay, NOS equal to 25. I will write another property CSC dot name of WT. Who is the faculty handling web technology subject?
myself Srinivas and CSC dot what name, what property we will give, another property CSC dot year. Which year we are doing this class work? Fourth year. Okay, 3. Like that we will give some properties. CSC, we are created the object, the name of the object is CSC. Okay, this is the method for creating the object. Okay, CSC, number of students, 3 properties are there: NOS, name of WT, year, 4. Now I want to print those values. Okay, 2 methods are there for printing. Comment we will write like this: printing values of objects. How to print the values of the objects? Method 1. Okay, we will see 2 methods. Method 1. Okay, using write method. Okay, document dot write document dot write. We will write this one. First one, number of students. Number of students. Okay, at the start HTML, inside this one HTML formatting is also allowed. Okay, number of students, some same colon, plus. Okay, how to print the value? CSC dot NOS. This is the first method. Okay, number of students. I will put here plus and continue like this also, or I will write multiple document dot write statements. Number of students, next. Faculty name. Faculty name. CSC dot, what we have to give here? CSC dot name. Name of WT. Okay, next one, year. Okay, CSC dot year. This is the one way of the printing values. I will write within one statement also possible, writing here plus 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 like this. Okay, I am saving this file. Just opening whether these are printing or not, checking the output. Okay, open the browser. Just how to run this one? Just go to this file, myjs.object, click this file. Already this is opened here, that's why just I am refreshing by press the F5. Number of students 25. Faculty name Srinivas. Here equal to 4. Okay, like that it will come. Suppose I want to give H1 heading. H1. Okay, I will end up here also H1 plus within the inverted commas slash H1. HTML formatting is also allowed. Control S. Okay, once again I am changing. Number of students is Srinivas D. I am placing the D for observing this one. Save. Okay, go to this one. Just press the F5 button. Refresh. Number of students 25. Faculty name Srinivas D. Here equal to 4. This is the method 1 of printing. Okay, printing values of the objects, method 1. So I want to print this message also. Okay, how to print this one? Document dot to write end. At the end keep this one. This is the one way of the printing the values. Okay, now I will run this one. Just we will observe the output. We will see just it is running or not.
Okay, stu, it is printing values of objects method one, it is there here. I want to keep a break statement also here. How I will put a break statement? Br. Okay, once again two break, after two break statements it will come. Break means it will come on next line. Control S. I am going to this one, once again refreshing this page. Or another way is go to the location of the file, just click this one, my.js object. Okay, this is the one way of the printing the values. Next, we will see second method for printing the values. Okay, same lines I will write. Document dot to write. I am copying all the lines. Control V. Just printing the values of the objects method 2. Okay, I will write here method 2. We will see how to print these values. Now we will see how to print these values. Now we will see how to print these values using method 2. Okay, this is using arrays concept. The same values, the same statement, printing values of objects using method 2. CSC, we have written CSC here. We will write here arrays like this one. Okay, what is the property here? NOS. Okay, next, this is the name within using arrays also. Arrays concept using array. The CSC is object. We are getting the name. CSC name. In order to print the year, we will write here year like this. This is the second way of printing this one. Okay, for this one second time I will keep the heading head H2 H2. Okay, Control S. Just using document dot write statement, I am printing these values. Okay, printing the values of the objects method 2. Okay, next we will see, we will run this one on the browser. Okay, go to the file. Okay, this is the same values. Printing the values of the objects method 2. In second method also same values. Number of students 25, faculty names Srinivasati is equal to 4. In this fashion we can print the values of the objects. Okay, this is about objects. Objects can be created like that. Next, another way of creating objects. In the same file only, we will see another way of creating objects in file. Okay, here we are created objects and printed. Okay, and now I will create another object here, variable. Which object we will create here? What is the name of the object? Say some object. Okay, name of the object student is the one object, vehicle, car. I will create the object car equal to no object, just here we will create name. What is the name of the car? Name of the car is, we will write here Ford. Okay, these name value pairs are separated using comma. Okay, cost colon, cost is 300,000, 3 lakhs. Okay, model, which model? This one, suppose BWM. Suppose the model is BWM. Okay, in which year it is manufactured? Year, colon 2020, 2019. Okay, this is the one way of creating objects. I am created object. Okay, car object. Car has which properties? Car dot name Ford, car dot cost, car dot model. Okay, car dot year, like that we can print. Okay, now we will print all the values. Okay, how to the print? Two methods are there. Okay, document dot write. Write method is important one. Write document dot write. Document dot write. Name of car. Name of car. What is the name of the car? Colon plus car dot name. Using dot operator or using arrays within the rectangular bracket. Just up to now is working or not, I will check it. Okay, name of the car. Just open within the browser the same file. Okay, once again I am closing this one. Okay, I am once again from starting it is opening. Where it is? This is available my JS object. Okay, see here, name of the car is Ford. We are created one object. Why it is not in small font? We are not given the heading H1. Okay, if you give here H1 means it will appear in H1. The last statement in document dot write. Close slash H1 slash H1. Okay. Next we will print the other. It is possible to print other values also. Name of the car, I will print the model, yourself will try for printing the year and cost, or just I will print the cost. Cost is okay, not H1 is not required, just break tag within next line it will come. Okay, here also keep a break tag, next line it will come. How to get the cost? Car, this is the name of the object, car dot cost. Okay, what is the another method? This is also allowed within the rectangular braces cost. Okay, using dot operator, using this one. I am printing this one. Control S. Save this file. Okay, now I am opening this file on the browser. Okay, how to open this one on the browser? Okay, just go here, press the refresh button. Okay, name of the car is Ford, cost is 3000. The Ford name we have received car dot name. The cost we have received using 30,000 using array style. Okay, this is about objects in JavaScript. Okay, dear students, in this session we will see how to create the objects and how to print the values of the objects. Two methods we have seen for the creation of the objects. Variable, name of the object equal to new object. That object name dot some properties we can place like that. Another method is using curly braces. Go through this program. This is the basics. I am not going to in depth. In real time we have to do a lot with objects. Okay, this is the basic concept. At any time, at any place we want to create objects means in this fashion we will create the objects. Okay, two methods we have seen, how to creation of the object and how to print the objects we have seen. Using document dot write method we are printing the values of the objects. Using dot operator is also possible. Using array type operator is also possible. Okay, the golden statements today in JavaScript are: JavaScript is a loosely typed programming language. Say 10 times. JavaScript is a loosely typed programming language. JavaScript is a loosely typed programming language. C is a strongly typed programming language. Java is a strongly typed programming language. C++ is a strongly typed programming language. Okay, JavaScript based on the everywhere it is objects is there. JavaScript is based on the object paradigm. Go to the that students materials folder. In unit 2 the word file is available about this concept, objects concept. Okay, next